For a beginner, it is very, very, very important for you to do your homework. Make sure korang prepare all the list for you to know apa yang you all perlukan untuk you all pergi travel. For example, number 1, you punya itinerary. Number 2, you punya costing. Number 3, accommodation, transportation, where to get halal food. And then your map, what is the place of interest that you want to go. All of these you mesti tahu and you must familiarize yourself with this. You can always find it in Google. Just search place of interest, everything is on Google. You can always read some blogs, watch some videos or vlog in YouTube. My favorite is for you guys to join any travel community. We have a lot. What you can do is go into the Facebook and then search. Kita ada Backpackers Buddies. This is where they share all their thoughts and share all their pictures, and you can even ask questions if you want. So just join them. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, don't forget to like and don't forget to share it with your friends. And if you have any questions, comment below.